everyone. I am Corporate Naps and I am back. It has been so many years since I have been on YouTube, and I feel like it was time for an update. So, essentially, what you have here is someone who was a YouTuber a number of years ago and has come back to see that the world of YouTube has truly changed. I am someone who, if you look at the previous videos, not sure which side it will be on, but the previous videos from years ago, I think it was like 2011-ish. I think the videos that I left up were the videos of my Loc Takedown, and that was my first set of locks. You will see now that I have what are considered Microlocs or braidlocs, and I have had these now for 5.5 years, February 2015, and we are now in August of 2020. So 5.5 years they have been in place, and they are a much smaller version of the locks that I originally had. I took those locks down a number of years ago. I think I was loose natural for maybe just shy of 3 years, and I ended up getting BRAIDLOCs or MICROLOCs. These are not sister locks. Let me put that out there. These are not sister locks, and they were started with braids specifically. So, been quite some time since I've been on here. I am so excited to see the changes that have taken place, the number of people who are still attracted to YouTube, and the number of YouTubers who are still here and have grown so much. It's just crazy. So, an update, really quick update. So, the next thing that you will see from me will most likely be a sort of slideshow of this set of locks, of my lock evolution. You will see from just before I had this set of locks started to today, almost today, not quite today, but almost today, maybe about a month ago. And so you will see that just so that you can get an idea of how my hair evolved. What you see here is, again, it's curled on perm rods, pretty good length. I have not cut them since I started them. I don't plan to right now. I'm definitely getting to a point where lengthwise I'm sort of thinking about it, but I want to kind of see if they can get sort of just below the boob area. That's probably about as much as I can take, just below the boob area, because it can be a lot to deal with. I normally wear my hair in curls like this, or I wear braid outs or twist outs in my hair. It's very rarely straight. It's just not a look that I really like, quite frankly. It's very rarely straight, and if it's straight, it's usually right after I've retwisted or retightened my hair, I should say. And I do my own retightening, by the way. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in to say hello and let you know that the next thing that you see from me will be my lock evolution, or this lock evolution, in pictures, and you'll see that I am looking to revise my YouTube station, and I want to do a little bit of everything, dabble in a little bit of everything. I'm trying to look at the camera and not look at myself, but do a little bit of everything, from hair to weight loss. Yeah, weight loss. All of those things, as well as career advice. I'll talk a little bit about my profession and where sort of that career advice is coming from, and sort of how you can use your advantage. But just coming on to say hello in this pandemic, crazy coronavirus, COVID-19 time period. I just feel like it's a perfect time to get this started again. So much great content out there, and I'm just enjoying catching up with what's happening on YouTube all around. All right, so I will chat with you guys later. Look for my video of my lock evolution in pictures, and I will chat with you guys soon.